Hello, gadget lovers. These days are stuck paying ridiculously high cable bills, feeling like there's just no other option. But what if I told you that you could unlock a world of crystal clear local news, sports, and entertainment for free? That's right. With a simple one-time purchase of a modern TV antenna, you can cut the cord forever. The technology has improved dramatically, and we've done the research to find the best options for you. But first, make sure to use the links in the description below because they'll take you directly to the latest discounts on Amazon for every product we talk about today. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is the HIDB TV antenna for smart TV. This little device is a true bestseller for a very good reason. It proves that you don't need a giant, complicated setup to get great reception. The HIDB antenna features an incredibly strong magnetic base, making installation an absolute breeze. You can just stick it to a metal surface near your TV, like a window frame or the TV itself, and you're pretty much done. It's compact and designed to blend right into your home decor without being an eyesore. With a 10-foot-long cable, it gives you plenty of flexibility to find that sweet spot for the best signal. It promises long-range reception for all your local channels in 4K and 1080p, and it uses industry-leading, eco-friendly materials for durability. For a budget-friendly, no-fuss entry into the world of free TV, the HIDB is a fantastic and reliable starting point that thousands of people swear by now. Taking the number 4 spot is the Lyrwihn TV antenna. This model really stands out with its impressive claimed range and a fantastic overall rating from users. The Lyrwihn antenna boasts an incredible 320-mile long-range reception, which is a huge selling point for those of you living further away from broadcast towers. What's really clever is its built-in signal booster. If you find you're just a little too far out, you can simply flip the switch on the booster to amplify the signal and pull in those harder-to-reach channels. It also comes with an extra-long, reinforced 18-foot coaxial cable, which is a real benefit if you need to run the antenna across a room to the best window. And just like our previous pick, it has a versatile magnetic base, but the Lyrwihn takes it a step further by being rugged enough for outdoor use as well, so you can stick it on a metal railing on a balcony to get an even clearer signal. It's a powerful, flexible option for those in suburban or semi-rural areas. Landing in the middle of our list at number 3 is the Qtbvae TV ANTENNA. This antenna positions itself as a premium indoor solution without a sky-high price tag. It features a sleek, modern design that looks more like a piece of tech gear than a simple antenna. The Qtbvae is all about power and clarity, equipped with a powerful signal booster and a 360-degree reception range that it claims can pull signals from over 650 miles away. Now, that's a very ambitious claim, but it points to a very strong amplifier that can definitely help in challenging signal areas. It's built from high-quality aluminum alloy and features a magnetic base for easy placement. A key highlight is its 16.5-foot premium copper cable, which ensures a stable and high-quality signal transmission from the antenna to your TV. The Qtbvae is for the viewer who wants a bit more performance and a modern aesthetic from their indoor antenna. Our number 2 pick is the Yimayinu 2025 upgraded TV antenna, and this is where things get seriously powerful. The Yimayinu makes a bold statement with a staggering claimed range of over 1,600 miles. While real-world results will always vary, this antenna is built with the most advanced amplified signal technology on our list to get you as close to that as possible. It's engineered to eliminate buffering and pixelation, delivering a consistently clear picture and sound, even in areas with difficult reception due to terrain or weather. This model is built for both indoor and outdoor use with a durable, weather-resistant construction that can stand up to rain, snow, and heat, making it a perfect choice for rooftop or balcony installation to maximize signal strength. The setup is designed to be effortless so you can get it installed quickly and start enjoying a vast array of local channels in full HD and 4K without any complicated technical work. If you live in a rural area or have had poor luck with antennas in the past, the Yimayinu is built to overcome those challenges. And finally, we've reached our top pick, the number 1 antenna on our list, the HDQHKE 2025. Antenna for Smart TV. This model represents the pinnacle of what a modern TV antenna can be, combining all the best features from our other picks into one premium package. The HDQHKE is engineered for zero-cost 4Ku HD TV, featuring the latest intelligent IC chip for maximum signal amplification and interference prevention. It boasts a powerful signal booster and 360-degree reception for long-distance signal pulling. Its premium design, crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, is not only stylish but also completely waterproof and built to withstand harsh weather, giving you the ultimate flexibility to use it anywhere, indoors or out. The magnetic base ensures a secure fit on most metal surfaces, and the included 16.5-foot premium copper cable makes for a simple, straightforward installation. You just connect it, place it in an optimal spot, and run a channel scan. For its unbeatable combination of robust performance, durable all-weather construction, and user-friendly design, the HDQHKE earns our top recommendation.